Hello everybody and welcome back to Sanity Daily in partnership with Breslov.org. Today we're going to continue Mitzvah Hashem, our lessons in Likutei Eitzos, the book of advice. And we're in the chapter of Eretz Yisroel. And today we're up to the letter Yud Beis 12. Al Yedei Mitzvah Chala. For all of the ladies listening to this class, through the mitzvah of Challah. What's the mitzvah of Challah? We know that in the time of the Beis Hamikdash, that any of the five grains that we would use, which was either wheat, oats, rye, spelt, and barley, so you'd have to take the Challah, give it to the Kahanim, right? Today we don't do that, right? Today we don't do that. You can consult your Rav of what he recommends you should do with the challah portion you take from the dough, all right? So via that, see, we're learning in yesterday's lesson in Yud Aleph in 11 that via davening with kavana and hearing what you're saying and you are awakening the schus of the avos. So now, via taking challah, you can also be awakening the schus of avos. So today says zeichen legales laharkish kedushas Eretz Yisroel, and through that, the mitzvah of challah, you can also reveal and feel the kedusha of Eretz Yisroel, the holiness of the land of Israel. And all of the tikkunim that you got, that we learned in lesson 11, you can look back at that if you don't remember, but I'll just remind you. The most important thing was the way we daven. We daven a shachris, a mincha, and ma'ariv, and by doing it like that, we're awakening the schus of Avraham Avinu, shachris, Yitzchak Avinu, mincha, Yaakov Avinu, Arvis, right? By doing that, we awaken the schus of the merit of Eretz Yisroel, right? So we're learning now that when you take challah, you also you're awakening the schus of the avos. Amazing, beautiful, and you also can feel and be margish the kedusha of Eretz Yisroel. It's amazing. But again, please, don't just think you take your challah. You don't have to daven. No, please, take advantage. Say the davening, daven. The Psuki, the Zimmer, and Chakras is so beautiful. And Mincha is such a beautiful tefillah. Ma'ariv is beautiful. Take advantage. We have the ability to daven. And HaKadosh Baruch Hu is waiting and desires every one of our words. Let's do that. And don't forget, take the challah too. Okay? Everyone, thank you for listening. I hope you're enjoying these classes and you're benefiting by them. And if you are, please hit the like button. Share these classes with your family and friends. And also, partake in the other classes of Yeshiva Terah Shimon and Breslov.org. Cult of everyone.